Hello guys, today's video is about how to trade IPOs, and as you can see, IPOs stands for initial public offering. And understand that IPOs, it means new companies that they get listed to the stock market. The first day is a big event for the company and for investors and for traders. So I will tell you just a little bit, very quick, how things work for a private company to become a public company. Now, private company, you can't buy its shares. It means if you want to buy, let's say, I will give you an example. Have you heard about, for example, a big company like Geico, which is insurance company? So maybe you know that because it advertises a lot, but it is a private company. Now, there is someone who bought it. It's all the company he bought it is Warren Buffett. Okay? And he doesn't want to put it in public because he owns it. Okay? It is in his big conglomerate stock, Berkshire Hathaway. Okay, so it is his. He can't buy it because it's not in the market. So this is what we call private company. Now, most of the private companies, they become bigger and bigger by themselves. It means they have loans, they go to the banks, they go to other sources of funding, they become successful. And when they become successful, they want to get more money. Now, how do they get that? Is by becoming an IPO, which means they want to get listed into an exchange, and then they have shares, virtual shares. They sell it to you, and then you give them money, and then they make the company bigger and bigger. All the biggest companies, they have done the same, like Google, Amazon, and all the other companies. Now, the first day is very important because a lot of advertisements weeks before they talk. If this company is successful before, all the people they want to trade it, all the people they want to own it because it is successful. Okay? So if you are going to buy these companies that IPOs at the first day, understand that it is very dangerous because they use only the limit order. It means there is no market order. You can't just, for example, you want to exit, you put stop loss or market order and you exit. Anything you do is with limit order, and this is a difficulty because sometimes your order is not filled and you lose a lot of money or so like this. So you should know what you are doing at first, and it is a very difficult day, so you should know how to trade this day. With a limit order, it's so dangerous. Now, few days after, few companies they succeed to go up, but most of the companies they go down. You know why? Because most of these companies, no one knows about them. Okay? Because the only thing that you have about these companies is what we call the prospectus, which is information written by the bank, which is called the underwriter, and it has all the information of the company, but still this information is little. So people who have money, they are scared to invest. Just the company comes to the market, they invest in it. Okay, they are scared because some companies they go down like their price, and from $10 it can go to 5 cents in 1 year or 2 or 3. Okay, but some succeeds come back because a lot of investors after 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 6 years, even 10 years, these companies come back because they show that these companies are strong, they have earnings, and the analysts, they say good about them, so they go up. So here is the chance to buy this kind of companies. It could be days, it could be weeks, it could be months, it could be years. So no one knows. But some companies, they do good. We have seen Visa, we have seen Google, we have seen Facebook, we have seen a lot of stocks that have been so good after a while. And we have seen Square just 1 month or 2 months ago or 6 months, I showed you this company. From $10 or $11, it goes to $100. I think now it is $76. Okay, so they succeed very, very quick, 1 year, 2 years, and you see that if you have invested in it for 1 year or two, you can make a lot of money. So all these about IPOs, and understand that if you want to search, you can use the same criteria that I use for any stock, and you can even go and search these companies into stock screeners, and you find them, and you just put the date. For example, you want the quarter, it means 3 months IPOs that were there in the market, or 6 months, or 1 year, or 2 years, or wherever you want. Or you can see the old IPOs, okay? So thank you very much for this. Please, tomorrow we have our live at 10 p.m. as usual. Please, if you have questions and you are just doing nothing, come and hang out with us. So have your questions ready, and we can talk a lot about the subject. Thank you very much.